today we're cutting fruit and vegetables. It's inside here. Ta-da! Let's cut now. So this is the strawberry. We're going to cut it.
Strawberry. And you got a fish.
Don't eat the leaves.
Do you need another knife?
Nope. Oh, I think this is too wide.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it! This is perfect.
You got the fish.
Now I go. Now
Do
I
you
got.
want to use these knives?
Nope.
It's better. These are made for it.
We're going to put it right in here. One more time. We'll go put it right in here. Then let's cut the
That's bread.
next fruit. Now this is the order. We're going to cut it in sideways.
Alright.
Okay, let's get cutting. Oh, there's a turkey to cut. I can't really slice it. Finally! And we don't have space. If we don't have space, we're going to use some construction. Tree tools. Let's get a lettuce. Oh, this is easy to cut. Now we'll go cut a carrot. This easy. So easy. Ah! Now we're going to cut a mushroom. I think this is going to be tricky. What? You can spin it. Like a spinner. This cute little mushroom. Wee! Now I'm going to cut it in half. And today is nighttime now. Okay, we're going to get this grapes and I'm going to put it sideways. Ah! The watermelon, we can't find the other side.
The other half.
Well, this is one piece. And what's this? What's this?
Cabbage.
Okay, I'm gonna cut a cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Yeah. This is too full. I can't cut this already.
That's great.
Now this is. What's this?
Onion.
Is it an onion? And I'm gonna cut it. Oh, this is turkey too. Wait, why do we have 2 lemons?
Yeah, it came in 2 packages.
Oh, I think it's supposed to be like that.
Let's give 1 lemon to sis.
After when we're going to get done, we're going to do something cool. If you want to see it, just come. If you want to see it.
What's this? Eggplant?
Yeah. And these come with another package. And they were too heavy and it cannot use these guys because it's too small.
Those are wood.
And these are plastic.
Yeah, these are plastic.
Okay, we'll cut it. Ow! It is tricky to hold and cut.
Red pepper. Okay, that's full, Mark.
This is green pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this is pepper too?
Yes.
But why is different shape?
Different kind of pepper.
Oh. I didn't know that.
They taste different too.
Look. This is green and this is so many light.
Those are seeds.
And these are seeds are yellow, and this is the green part that sticks together.
Red.
I need to put the other one. Hey, this is not a fruit or vegetable.
That's bread. Oh.
Hey, where?
Lemon.
Lemon doesn't taste good.
Well, it's good with Coke.
And water.
Yeah.
And lemon juice.
Yeah, you don't just eat lemon. You mix it with something else.
What about if we eat it?
You could, but it's...
My favorite apple! This is my favorite fruit. Okay, we just have two.
2 left.
Okay, I'm gonna grab another one.
What are you grabbing?
Fine. I will be back. I got this for my mom. She's holding the camera. So she's gonna cut the corn, and I'm gonna cut the tomato. I call it tomato.
Tomato.
And then just put it here. I'll help you put it there.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's go to the construction part. I'm going over there.